Reggae music has never been archived to the extent that Roger has done it.
If you want to know where the real Fort Knox of Bob Marley music is, Roger Stephens.
The Roger Stephens Archives is the most incredible collection of reggae that exists on the earth.
Reggae music and the history of Jamaican music is the history of this island.
The Jamaican Broadcasting Company closed. Their extraordinary archives were completely looted. And it's really a shame because that was their history and they no longer have it.
We need to have this collection in our country. It's a national treasure.
This belongs here. This is our culture, this is our music, this is our story. It belongs here.
I don't know why a white guy in California should have such a big thing, and though in Jamaica.
As far as I'm concerned, it would make a great tourism attraction in Jamaica.
The story of reggae is still not fully appreciated by Jamaicans at home.
I am hoping we can finally get my reggae archives to this country to help become the National Museum of Jamaican Music.